Hey everybody, welcome to Finance, the only channel on the internet that tells you how to turn your donut money into, well, more donut money. So click that subscribe button before I eat it. So you hear about this thing on the news? The government shutdown? It's like when Mr. Burns decides to conserve energy at the plant and I get an unexpected nap day. Woohoo! But this time, it's not so good for your wallet. See, a bunch of the government pencil pushers are told to go home. The ones who answer the phone at the tax place, gone. It's like trying to call Moe's for a prank call, and the line's just dead. But here's the tricky part. Just because they're not answering the phone doesn't mean you can stop paying them. Think of it like this. You owe Bart $5 for, not telling Marge you ate her special cake. Even if Bart is grounded in his room and can't come out, you still owe him the $5. If you don't pay, when he finally gets out, he's gonna want $7. So, you got a payment due? You better pay it. Forgetting to pay your taxes just because their office is closed? No! But here's the real pickle. The biggest pickle since I tried to eat that giant one at the state fair. The government nerds are the ones who count everything. They count how many people have jobs, and they count how much stuff costs. Their most important job is telling us the price of donuts. They have this thing called the CPI. I think it stands for cost of pie and icing. Lisa told me it's the Consumer Price Index, whatever. It's the official report that says donuts cost 10% more this year. When we have that report, we know if we're getting richer or poorer. But with the government shut down, nobody's counting. The donut price list is missing. It's like Marge trying to make a grocery list, but the Quick E-Mart won't tell her the price of milk. How can she budget for my pork rinds if she doesn't know what anything costs? We're all flying blind. And that gets us to the really important person, the Big Marge. Not my Marge, although she is very important, especially around dinner time. I'm talking about the Federal Reserve. Think of them as the Marge of the whole country's money. The Big Marge's job is to look at the donut price list and decide what to do. If prices are going up too fast, she'll say, "Whoa, slow down everybody. It's gonna cost you more to borrow money for that new barbecue pit." But if things are slow, she'll say, "Go on, spend a little, borrowing money is cheap, buy that hammock you've always wanted." But now, the donut price list is gone. The jobs report is gone. The Big Marge is sitting in her big chair with no information. She doesn't know whether to raise the price of borrowing or lower it. She's probably just pacing back and forth, wondering what to do. She can't make a decision! She has all the power, but none of the information! Making huge money decisions without knowing the price of a crusty burger? No! So what does this mean for a regular guy like you or me? It means things are a little wobbly. It's like walking on one of Bart's skateboards after a visit to Moe's. You don't know which way you're gonna fall. So my advice is this. Just keep doing what you're doing. Don't panic. Don't sell all your stock because some nerds in Washington are on a forced vacation. Keep putting a few bucks away for a rainy day. Or for a not-so-rainy day that just happens to have a new donut shop opening. The plan is the plan. Stick to it. Long-term thinking is like marinating a good pork chop. The longer you wait, the better it gets. Remember, the government will open again, the nerds will start counting again, and the Big Marge will figure out what to do. In the meantime, you just keep your cool. Invest today, so tomorrow you can buy more donuts.